Hi guys, so today I have a super quick card to make from the Artbooking cartridge. I have not forgotten about making tutorials for the Artbooking cartridge. I just have a lot of reviews and the regularly scheduled videos that I do, kind of waiting around, so these take a lot more time. So that's just what it is. But it's the Artbooking cartridge from close to my heart. And what I'm going to do is a card, and you guys probably saw the picture for it already. And in my mind, when I first seen this, I thought, there's a lot of cuts on here, because mostly to make mini albums and scrapbook pages that would be really, really cute for cards. And I really like this one. I mean, I fell in love with this one the first time I saw it. It's the Top Secret mini album. And this one, it's this cut here, which is basically Photo Mat 2 under the number 6. Okay, so it's the 6 button in on the overlay. And it's just really cute. Normally this cuts at 7 by 5. Okay, and then I was kind of flipping through it to see what would coordinate with it, and I only had to skip a couple pages when I saw the mini album, the Love mini album, but I saw this. I thought, how cute would that be? Kind of layered on that other cut if we use it as a card. And then, on here it has the Love You, it has the XOXO, Truly, Sweet, has really cute things that go along with it, other cute cuts, so I thought, let's try that. So, okay, so in looking at this, let's see if you can follow my logic. Alright, this should be cut at 7 inches, okay? And of course that's real dial size off. So they're recommending 7 inches so that when you fold up this bottom part, it makes a pocket that's going to be 7 inches tall, 5 inches wide, because you're going to fold this in half. So basically your mini album is a 7 by 5. So I had an 8.5 by 11 piece of colonial white cardstock that I want to make use for the base of my card, and I want it to be a card, so I'm thinking, should I use real dial size on? That might be too difficult. Well, if it's supposed to be, when you fold this up, 7 inches, then if it's 5.5 inches tall, it's going to cut it to be 5.5 inches, right? So the top part of it's going to be 5.5 inches. Once you fold up the pockets, it'll still be 5.5 inches tall. I don't know how wide it's going to be, right? Because in my head, I'm not going to do all that math. But for it to go in an envelope, I really wanted it to be 5.5 inches tall. So here's my 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. It cut it perfectly within there. You probably do 6 inches even, and be good. But I did 5.5 inches because that's about the size of a standard card. And so I cut that. Again, like I said, it's Photo Mat 2 at 5.5 inches, real dial size off. Okay, we don't want to have that on. And so then that was my dilemma. I'm like, okay, so now when I cut the other pieces, are going to be 5.5 inches real dial size on or off or whatever. But I figured the little heart overlay is about the same. This book is 8 by 3.5 inches tall, so if you cut this overlay, which is overlay on Q, just overlay, the first one, you don't shift or anything, it's just overlay on Q, it should fit, if I had sized it at 5.5 inches, it should fit a 5.5 inch tall item. So I went ahead and cut this at 5.5 inches, again, real dial size off. Okay, we're not doing anything in real dial size, and it cut out perfectly. When I cut it out, I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And I believe this is blush paper, guys. I'm not sure. It might even be hollyhock. I'm not even sure which side goes which way, but I think I like that one better that way. Well, anyway, 5.5 inches, and once we fold the pocket up, it's going to fit perfectly on there, as you can see. How cute is that? So that's that. Just overlay on Q at 5.5 inches. And I just left it at 5.5. Why not? Just because I figured the rest of the things would layer up that way. So I cut Love You, and I cut out Truly at 5.5 inches on, I believe this is Tulip cardstock. Okay, these are all close to my heart cardstocks. So there it is. So what I'm going to do, it's a cute, quick card, and basically what I'll show you what stuff we put together is that my plan would be to either include another little note card on the inside, or to put some pictures in it. You have little pockets, okay? So here's the base of the card. And so I'm going to turn it over, and of course this part that was sticky that was on the mat, my mat is super sticky because it's brand new right now, it leaves little bits, but you can just rub those off. I'm going to take a ruler, which I don't have in place right now, and my Martha Stewart scoring item, and I'm just going to score right across, so just to give it a little crisper line, and then I'm going to score on each of the tabs, okay? Just right down by the tabs. I made some score lines, hopefully you can kind of see it there better. And all I'm going to do is fold in the tabs, because those tabs are basically going to help you make your pocket. That's what they're there for. And fold the other one. So it's just real quick and simple. I encourage you, if you have this, or if you're thinking about buying it, to look into using it in a different way, the cartridge, because this is really quick and simple, and it's going to be super cute, and you can adapt it for lots of things. I think this would be really cute for like a Valentine card. And of course I didn't score that middle one because I'm too distracted over here. So I'm just going to fold this in half. You know what, I'll do that later. Let's just go ahead and glue this down. So I'm going to glue down on the tabs. I'm just going to place a little glue right along the edges there. on both sides. And then I'm just going to glue that down. Of course, I am using my liquid glass, which I love. And I'm just going to hold that down until it stays. And I'm going to go ahead and score this middle line nice and secure. And I'm just going to fold it where I did make that score line. I usually like to use my ruler and like a bone folder just to get a nice score line. So there it is. And now we're just going to decorate the front and that inside pockets. You can, of course, decorate as much as you want or as little as you like. Like I said, I'm going to put the little hearts on here. I'm just trying to decide if I want to go this way or turn it this other way. You know, this might be better because the tall little hearts are still on the edge there. I think that's cute. So I'm going to add some liquid glass in very strategic spots all around, especially on the very edges. And if you guys have the cartridge, let me know what you think of it, or if you've used it at all. I know sometimes we buy things, we put it away for later, but please let me know what you think. I always like to hear back. And I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, I'm getting super busy with all these other things, but for the people who purchase their cartridge through me, you guys know you can always request a video if there's a certain cut you want to see or a certain project from the cartridge or any of the cartridges that you purchase from me that you want to see. Please let me know and I will definitely do those for you, okay? And that's for our customers. So there it is, super cute. And then I'm just going to take the Love You. And if you wanted to cut like a circle, this fit perfectly in a circle, but I'm just going, you know, of a different color. I'm just going to place it on here, and I'm going to apply glue all over the back of this one's a little more tedious, so I'm going to pause here so I can do the back of that. And I'm just going to place it where I think is cute. I was going to put it up here. I think up here is good. Just right off there. Just says Love You. How cute that is. Okay, and basically in the same manner on the inside, I'm just going to take the Sentiment Truly and just add it right down here. So I'm just going to put glue on the back and I'm going to stick it down right here. There, and the front. Look how cute and simple. If you want to distress it, of course you can do that. Add some glitter, ribbon. I mean, this thing is ready to go to do whatever you like. And on the inside, you can either have like just like a little note card, maybe cut it like, let's see how wide this thing is, 1, 2, 3.5. So I would cut it like at, or it's actually 4 inches wide, which is perfect. This is a 4 by 5.5 inch card, which is almost what a standard A2 size card is. So this is really cool. Good math on my part there. So I would cut the note card like at, you know, 5 by 3.5 or 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. Whatever you think would be cute, you put it in here. You have your little sentiment on there. You can stamp on it. You can do whatever you like. I have this little heart left over from the mini album I did last. I forget which mini album it was from this series I've been doing here. So I'm just going to put it right here. It's a little pop-up heart. Super cute. And that's it. And then you can include either some little pictures in here. I just think this is a really fun basic card. So thanks for watching, guys. And again, for my customers, if you guys have any requests, please ask. And I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.